Welcome to a journey into the limitless possibilities of SpaceX, a world where dreams of interstellar exploration become reality. Introducing Starship, the spacecraft designed to take humanity to Mars. Its reusable technology revolutionizes the economics of space travel. Next, marvel at Starlink, a constellation of satellites aimed at creating a global broadband internet system, connectivity for all, anywhere. But SpaceX's ambitions don't stop at Mars. The Starship's potential extends to the farthest reaches of our solar system and beyond. SpaceX's vision is to make the human race multiplanetary, a safeguard against any potential disaster. Our survival wouldn't rely on one world alone. Unleash your imagination as we delve into the technological advances, challenges, and philosophical implications of this brave new frontier. In SpaceX's future, we see a new era of discovery, exploration, and connectivity. Join us as we journey towards the stars.